Hi guys, just started to do undercoat. As you can see, just cut it in and you can see the difference right away. The product I'm using is the Precision Sealer Binder. The reason I'm using this product is the number one reason is this is the first time this house gets painted after 30 years. I needed to bond with the old paint and the new paint. Second reason is we got a lot of water damage in here, so this will seal all the stains on wherever the water damage, like this one here I recorded previously. I just put the one coat of this undercoat and it all sealed now. You can't see the water damage stains. Yeah, and the third reason is smoke damage. You can see that best in here. This is a room that's been affected the most. It's very smoky in the ceiling and some parts of the walls as well. You see down there. Yeah, this will seal all this. Even though if we sanded it with palm sander, but still the smoke penetrates so much into the paint. It's unbelievable to clean it, so we have to do this undercoat, and it's oil-based undercoat. This will penetrate very deep into the paint. That's the difference between oil-based undercoat and acrylic undercoat. The oil-based undercoat penetrates in, and the acrylic undercoat that just stays on the surface. Applying undercoat on the walls and ceilings. I'm gonna take you to see how it looks now. This is the room. This is only undercoat. This is the hallway. As you remember at the beginning of the video, there was the water damage in this corner, and after applying this sealer binder undercoat, you can see now there's no any visible water damage or any stains. Hey guys, just a quick update on what's been done so far. We finished ceilings, so all the ceilings are done. The products we used on the ceilings, kitchen and dining, we used the ceiling flat antibacterial and anti-mold plus from Dulux. For the rest of the house, we use the Tredex ceiling flat paint. Now I started to doing cutting in on the walls. So I'm doing first coat of cutting in. The product we're gonna use on the walls is Wash Away from Dulux Low Sheen. Hey guys, welcome back to the end of this project. So far everything's been done on ceilings and walls. There's only one coat of gloss on doors and that will be it. This is the hallway now after we painted everything and prepped everything. Done a lot of preparation, as you know. This is the toilet ceiling, walls, bathroom ceiling, dining and kitchen area. This is the kitchen area that we did all that prep. End up scraping all the paint from the ceiling. Same in the bathroom. All come up very good. There used to be a big stain, water damage and smoke damage before. That's a finished product now. This is the hallway and that's the corner where that water damage and smoke damage was before. It's all nice and clean now, white. That's the room. Room come out all really good as well. There was a water damage in that corner as well and smoke damage. There was a lot of smoke damage in this room here. Now as you can see, it's all nice and white. Once again, thank you a lot guys. Please subscribe and give us a like for this one. So we keep doing this what we are doing, putting videos up there for you guys so you can have a look. What's the painting industry like? Thanks!